Outgrow. Children outgrow their shoes every year. I am outgrowing my old routines lately. I have outgrown my childhood fears. The company has been outgrowing its office for a while. I outgrew my bicycle by the age of 12. The seedling was outgrowing its pot on the sill. I had outgrown the small town before I turned 20. The team had been outgrowing the budget for months before the cuts. The puppy will outgrow this basket soon. I will be outgrowing these habits over the next year. By spring, the vine will have outgrown the trellis. By then, the startup will have been outgrowing its space for a year.